guys, today I'm doing a review of these Kiss My Keto gummy bears, and fruity flavored. These are on sale, but look at this. These are so small. They're only 23 grams in packs. So the other ones like Smart Sweets or Binge to give you at least 50 grams. So, but this was cheap. This was really inexpensive. That's why I picked it up. I wanted to try it out, and we'll do a quick taste test for you guys. So here's the back. If you guys want to see it, pause the video. As you can see, gluten-free. They use, if you look here, chicory roots, tapioca, gelatin, erythritol. So it's a mixture. I would say a mixture between Binge and Smart Sweets. So how they have their formula. So this one uses erythritol, and Binge uses erythritol as well, but they use resistant dextrin as their fiber. This uses chicory root and tapioca, and but Smart Sweets doesn't use erythritol. They use stevia as their main thing. So it's a little bit of a mixture, I would say. So there we go. We're gonna do a quick taste test. Let's open this up. Okay, so these bags are so tiny. Look at the size of my hand. Look at the bag. These bags are super tiny. These are like half the size of the other ones. And yeah, let's open this up. Okay, so I got one bear here, so I'll give you a good idea what they look like. Okay. It's not bad. I'm gonna do another one just in case. Get a better idea. There we go. The texture is, it's like a gummy. It's like a regular gummy, but it's a little bit softer. The ones that you find in Smart Sweets are, I would say they're just more bouncy. These are bouncy, but they're also more airy. Flavor's good. It's got like a berry taste to it. But yeah, they're not overly sweet or anything because they use the alcohol sugar. The texture is like a cola bottle, like if you ever had like I showed you on the Binge cola bottles, the texture's like that. But this is just a little bit more airy, like a little bit more puffy, like marshmallow sort of thing. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.